Hello and welcome to the Taylor Institute. This tutorial will walk you through how to register for programs and courses. To get started, you'll want to first go to the Taylor Institute's main site at taylorinstitute.ucalgary.ca. And once on this main page, you'll want to go to Programs and Courses, and in the drop-down menu, you will want to click on Programs. Here you will see a detailed list of all program offerings at the Taylor Institute. And for the purposes of this tutorial, we will be going to the Certificate in University Teaching and Learning for graduate students. We have now been taken to the Graduate Student Certificate in University Teaching and Learning, and there's a great deal of information on this page, including program description, learning outcomes, as well as information about the program format and the 5 badges that make up this certificate. Please note that as of September 1st, 2020, you're only required to take 4 of these badges to successfully complete the certificate. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will be going to the Emerging Teachers Development Badge. We have now been taken to the Emerging Teachers Development Badge main information page. And again, just like the previous page, this page contains detailed information about the badge, as well as all of the required and optional or elective courses. What you'll also notice is that there is this box titled Application. As of September 1st, 2020, all students are required to apply now and track their progress in a badge. If you do not do this, you will not receive your badge upon completion. If you have not already done it, no problems at all. You can do this retroactively, and you can do it right now. So I will walk you through it. So once we get here, we'll click Apply Now, and it will take us to this main application. It's almost like a confirmation page. And again, we'll click Apply Now, and we're now taken to the Destiny 1 login site. So Destiny 1 is the non-credit login site for all non-credit programs at the University of Calgary. And if you have taken any programs through continuing education or Cummings School of Medicine, amongst many others, you may already have a Destiny 1 account. If not, you will want to register for a new account. It's important to note that your Destiny 1 account is not the same as your MyUCalgary account. For the purposes of this tutorial, we already have an account, so we will log in using that account. And we're now at the Start Our Application page. So what it will just ask you to do is verify your information, including your name, telephone number, address, and then you would just continue to check out. And as you can see here, we already have one badge application in our cart, and now we will want to start the second one. So we'll click Start, and at this point we will submit our application. It's just that simple. We have now submitted our application, and here on the left-hand side, not right, left-hand side, we can track our progress in these applications. So once the decision has changed from pending to approved, we will be able to track all of our courses that are part of this badge. And until that decision is pending, all this allows us to do is know that we are in the system ready to begin tracking. So now that we have done this, we can again go back to our Taylor Institute homepage, go back through the exact process that we just went through, and now we can begin adding courses. And again, we're taken to this page, which will just be another verification of all our credentials and information, and then we'll continue to check out. And it will now ask you a few detailed questions about who you are, just to give us some better information about how we can serve the needs of our learners. And then once you've done that, you would click Continue, and you've now checked out and successfully registered in both a badge as well as a course. If you do have any registration issues with Destiny 1, I'm going to encourage you to go to our registration help page at taylorinstitute.ucalgary.ca/registration-help, or you can always email us at tiprograms@ucalgary.ca. Other than that, I just want to wish you happy learning, and thank you so much again for your interest in the Taylor Institute.